I miss my taco, but in kisses, hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition.
Hello gang, and welcome back to another day of Vlogtober. I just got out of church, girl. We are about to cook a little 1-2, just a little something. For, I guess you could say dinner, lunch. It's gonna be a quick meal because I really don't feel like cooking, but I know we need to eat. So I got some Velveeta shells and cheese, and I got some chicken right here. I'm gonna bake this chicken and probably put barbecue sauce on it. And I haven't had these in a long time, but it's calling my name. We got some blueberry cheesecake muffins. And then I'm just gonna make some sweet peas to go with everything. I really wanted some collard greens, but it's already, about to be 2 in the evening. I ain't got time for no greens to get done cooking, so we settled for sweet peas today. Started so that I can sit down. Oh, but this is what I wore to church today, y'all. I got this dress. I think this dress came from Target, but I got it from Dirt Cheap. And then this hat came from Burlington so many years ago. And I'll show y'all my shoes in a minute. But I need to go ahead and get things started.
Let's make love in the summertime. On the sands, beach sands, make plans to be in each other's arms. I wanna drown in the depths of you, yeah. Where the water's so blue, so blue. I need to take my time right now to show you something real, so real. I want you to come inside right now to show you how I feel, We never been here.
Guys, I already been pinching on my chicken over here, but we got some blueberry cheesecake muffins, some baked chicken. I put barbecue sauce on one. I didn't put it on all of them because I just wanted to have an option to be able to do so. We got some sweet peas and some mac and cheese. I guess we can do a little taste test. Mac and cheese. Chicken. Put a little of that barbecue on them. So put a little macaroni on there with that chicken. Put a little sweet pea. Let me tell you something. Mac and cheese, sweet peas, and a piece of little barbecue chicken. It go together real bad, like boyfriend and girlfriend. Hello. But I'm about to sit down and eat my food because I'm tired, and quite frankly, I'm ready to wind down. Hey girl, hey. I'm gonna get ready to take this makeup off. I don't have foundation on today, and honestly, this is like my favorite face, like no foundation. But sometimes, like if I'm really going somewhere, or if I need to take photos, I'll do a full beat. But this is just concealer, blush, bronzer, and face powder. Cause sometimes foundation just be doing too much for me. But then other times it's real good. But I think it's just time for me to probably purchase a new foundation. I feel like my foundations are too dark. Well, yeah. But I'm just about to take this makeup off, honey, and get me a shower. I think my cousin gonna get ready to come over here. We're gonna study a little bit because I do need to do that. Yeah, because I do have a test Wednesday. Well, like a lab quiz or whatever. And I did see a subscriber today, y'all. I seen one of the Jezidor gang girls today when I went in JCPenney. So if you're watching this, hey girl, hey, thank you for your support. But today we went, me and well, I went to church today, but me and my boyfriend went looking for him something black because we are going to a wedding Saturday. And it's all black formal. Y'all, I absolutely love weddings. I absolutely love weddings. Like, I want to be a wedding. But, you know, when that time come for me, when God say what he said, when he do what he said he gonna do, just know your girl is ready. Like, if ain't nobody got nothing planned out, baby, it's me. I think I done had my wedding planned out since birth. But everything gonna happen in due time, you know. God already know. He already know what my heart desires. So, yeah, when the time is right, just know. Just know. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to attend this wedding. I just feel, I know it's gonna be so romantic and just beautiful. Woo. But anyway, I don't know why I would do that. I'm finna get ready to get in the shower, honey, because I'm tired. I'm tired. And I'm finna study, but I want to go to sleep. My cellar water that I use to remove my makeup. And I might as well go and brush my teeth because I'm not about to eat nothing else tonight. Update on the water flosser. I do like it. It works really good. It's pretty strong. But I will say, you know, you have to fill this part up with water. I use it, like it runs out of water after I'm done with my bottom teeth. So I have to refill it for the top, but it's not the biggest deal. This is my first time purchasing one of these. So for my first time purchase, I feel like it's pretty good. It does good. It gets the job done. But yeah, I'm about to bring my team. So I just packed my lunch for school. I am about to get ready real fast, and then we're gonna go ahead and head to
during the recovery, and now to about 2.5% in 2023.
With migraines on a Friday. I woke up this morning feeling like a little instant detox mask. I really like this one for just like a good reset. And then it's going to use the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. So essentially they're like the same thing, just different brands. And then I think afterwards I'm going to go in with one of these if there was anything left, but I think it's pretty empty.
So I am fresh out of class. I have to go get some hair dye today so that I can color my bundles. More than likely we'll be doing that when we get back from Aiden's game, because I don't want to rush things. His game is in Enterprise and it's at 5 o'clock. And it's just now about to be, I think, 3. Not sure. Yeah, it's just now turning 3 o'clock. So, I mean, I got time to color them, but I just don't want to feel rushed. So, we're probably just going to wait till we get back home before actually coloring the bundles. And I got homework, so it's going to be a long night, basically. I was just checking in, but we are about to head to the hair store so we can get some hair color.
I miss my taco, but in kisses, hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just compete.